Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Google Cloud DLP for PII detection in datasets, full guide step by step clearly. To configure Google Cloud DLP for PII detection in your datasets, start by logging into your Google Cloud console. Navigate to the API and Services section and enable the Data Loss Prevention API. Once the API is enabled, go to the DLP section within the console. Click on Jobs to create a new DLP job. Choose Create Job, then select Inspect Job for detecting personally identifiable information. Enter a name for your job to make it easily identifiable. Next, specify the source of the data you want to inspect. You can choose from options like Cloud Storage, BigQuery, or Google Drive. For this demonstration, let's select Cloud Storage. Now, provide the path to your cloud storage bucket and the specific files or folders you want to inspect. After setting the source, move to the Inspect Config section. Here, you can select the types of sensitive data you want to look for. Common categories include email addresses, credit card numbers, and social security numbers. You can also customize your detection by adding specific regular expressions if needed. Next, set up the actions that will be taken after the job runs. You can choose to save the findings to a specific storage location or send notifications. Configure the option to send findings to a pub/subtopic if you want real-time alerts. Review your job configuration to ensure all details are correct. Once satisfied, click the Create button to save your configuration. Your DLP job will now be queued for execution based on the data source provided. Monitor the job's progress in the Jobs section of the DLP console. After the job completes, review the findings and take necessary actions based on the results. You can export the results to a designated cloud storage bucket for further analysis. For ongoing monitoring, consider setting up a scheduling option for periodic inspections. That concludes the guide on configuring Google Cloud DLP for PII detection in your datasets. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.